Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to recover a Facebook account after hacking in the US in 2026. So if your account was taken over, emails or password were changed, or you got locked out completely, this guide will help you recover it step by step. First, go to the official Facebook recovery page, or open the login page and click Forgot Password to start the recovery process. Now enter your email, phone number, or username. So Facebook will try to locate your account even if the hacker changed some details. If your account was hacked, Facebook may show recent changes. Look for alerts about password or email updates you didn't make. If the hacker changed your email or phone number, select No longer have access to these. This will help you start identity verification. Next, Facebook may ask for identity verification. So you might need to upload a government ID or confirm through trusted contacts. Once you regain access, immediately change your password and enable two-factor authentication. This helps prevent future hacking attempts. And that's how to recover a Facebook account after hacking in the US in 2026. Once you go through recovery steps and secure your account properly, you can protect it from future attacks. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Facebook security and recovery tutorials. Hey everyone.